Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best garage workbenches for anyone who wants a serious workspace upgrade. Whether you're tackling weekend projects or need a sturdy surface for tools and repairs, the right bench changes everything. I've tested and reviewed these options based on durability, weight capacity, and smart storage features. And trust me, you'll want to see this. From heavy-duty steel frames to foldable designs with built-in power strips, there's a perfect fit for every garage setup. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. VIYET. The VIYET is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand both style and functionality in their everyday carry. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design crafted from premium, durable materials, this versatile accessory offers exceptional organization for your essentials. Made from high-quality, water-resistant fabric, it protects your items while maintaining a sophisticated appearance that transitions effortlessly from the office to evening events. Equipped with thoughtfully designed compartments, it keeps your phone, cards, and keys secure and easily accessible. Its slim profile and lightweight construction ensure it slips comfortably into any bag or pocket without adding bulk. Whether you are heading to a meeting or a night out, the VIYET combines practicality with refined elegance, making it an essential companion for anyone who values efficiency and style. Novolume. The Novolume hair volumizer is perfect for anyone seeking effortless, long-lasting volume and body without the weight of heavy styling products. Featuring a lightweight, heat-activated formula, this innovative spray works with your blow dryer to lift hair from the roots for instant, noticeable fullness. Made with a unique polymer complex, it builds natural-looking thickness while providing flexible hold that lasts all day. Its non-greasy texture ensures your hair stays soft and bouncy, never stiff or crunchy, making it ideal for fine or limp hair types. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, Novolume enhances your natural texture with superior volume and movement. The sleek, compact bottle is perfect for travel and on-the-go touch-ups. YITAHOME. The YITAHOME product is perfect for homeowners and organizers seeking a seamless blend of functionality and modern design for their living spaces. Featuring a sturdy, premium-grade construction, it is made from durable materials that ensure long-lasting stability and support for your daily needs. Equipped with an intuitive layout, this piece maximizes storage efficiency while maintaining a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that complements any decor. Its thoughtful design simplifies clutter management, helping you create a more organized and stress-free environment effortlessly. Whether you are furnishing a cozy apartment or a spacious family home, the YITAHOME product delivers superior versatility and reliable performance. Lightweight yet robust, it offers easy assembly and a clean, polished finish that elevates your home's overall look. DWVO. The DWVO is the perfect solution for homeowners and gardeners who need a durable and versatile outdoor storage option. Featuring a robust steel frame and a waterproof, UV-resistant cover, this shed provides exceptional protection for your tools, equipment, and belongings against harsh weather conditions. Made from heavy-duty galvanized steel, it resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Its spacious interior offers ample room for organizing lawn mowers, bicycles, and gardening supplies, while the double sliding doors provide easy access and secure locking for peace of mind. Whether you need to declutter your backyard or safeguard valuable gear, the DWVO combines strength, functionality, and a sleek design, making it an essential addition to any outdoor space. CAMMOO LBS. The CAMMOO LBS is perfect for active individuals who demand a reliable and versatile carrying solution for their everyday essentials. Featuring a durable and water-resistant exterior, this bag protects your belongings from the elements while maintaining a sleek and modern profile. Made from premium, lightweight materials, it offers exceptional comfort during extended wear without sacrificing storage capacity or organization. Its thoughtfully designed compartments keep your phone, wallet, and keys easily accessible, while the adjustable strap ensures a customized fit for any body type. Whether you are commuting through the city or exploring the outdoors, the CAMMOO LBS combines practicality with superior craftsmanship. It is an essential accessory for anyone seeking a dependable and stylish companion for their daily adventures. GOOCORREC. The GOOCORREC golf towel is perfect for golfers who demand efficiency and premium care for their equipment on every round. Featuring a powerful industrial strength magnet, This towel securely attaches to any cart or bag for instant, hassle-free access throughout your game. Made from ultra-soft, high-absorbency microfiber, it effortlessly wipes away dirt, moisture, and grass from clubs and balls without causing scratches or damage to delicate surfaces. Its compact and lightweight design ensures it fits neatly without adding bulk to your setup, while the durable fabric withstands repeated use and washing. Whether you are navigating a wet morning round or cleaning your clubs after a sandy shot, the GOOCORREC towel combines unmatched practicality with superior performance, making it an essential accessory for any serious player who values convenience and club longevity. CAMMOO LBS. The CAMMOO LBS is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile lighting solution for everyday carry or outdoor adventures. Equipped with a high-performance LED, this compact flashlight delivers impressive brightness while featuring multiple modes to adapt to any situation, from reading a map to navigating a dark trail. Its durable aluminum alloy construction ensures it withstands drops and rough handling, while the sleek, lightweight design allows for effortless portability in a pocket or bag. Whether you need a dependable tool for emergencies or a convenient light for camping, the CAMMOO LBS combines exceptional build quality with practical functionality. This essential accessory offers peace of mind and superior performance for users who demand reliability in a compact form. CAMMOO LBS. The CAMMOO LBS is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliable, hands-free illumination in any environment. Featuring a high-performance LED that delivers superior brightness with adjustable focus, this versatile light adapts seamlessly from wide-area floodlighting to long-distance beam projection. Equipped with a robust rechargeable battery, it offers extended runtime to power through the toughest tasks without interruption. Made from durable, impact-resistant materials, the CAMMOO LBS is built to withstand rugged conditions while remaining lightweight and compact for easy portability. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use, and the intuitive single-button operation allows effortless switching between modes. Whether you're camping, working on repairs, or navigating dark trails, this essential tool provides unmatched reliability and performance for anyone who refuses to compromise on quality. OLBRUS. The OLBRUS is the perfect accessory for professionals and travelers who demand both style and functionality in their everyday carry. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design crafted from premium aerospace-grade aluminum, it offers exceptional durability while remaining remarkably lightweight. Equipped with a high-speed USB-C charging port and a built-in 10,000 mAh power bank, it ensures your devices stay powered throughout the busiest days. Its compact form factor slips easily into a pocket or bag, making it an ideal companion for commutes or long flights. Whether you need reliable backup power, a durable writing instrument, or a refined aesthetic, the OLBRUS combines modern utility with timeless elegance, making it an essential tool for anyone who values efficiency and sophistication on the go. WORX. The WORX brand is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who demand power, precision, and versatility in their tools. Featuring innovative designs like the jaw saw and cordless trimmer, WORX products combine professional-grade performance with user-friendly operation, making every project feel effortless. Made from durable materials and equipped with advanced battery technology, these tools deliver reliable power without the hassle of cords or gas. Whether you are tackling heavy-duty landscaping or detailed home repairs, WORX offers lightweight, ergonomic solutions that reduce fatigue and increase efficiency. Its compact build and intuitive controls ensure that anyone from a novice to a seasoned pro can achieve superior results. For those seeking a complete tool ecosystem that prioritizes convenience and quality, WORX is the essential choice for transforming everyday tasks into rewarding accomplishments.